Solve this trig equation between 0 and 360. We know that tan squared theta plus 1 is equal to sec squared theta, don't we? So then we can use that to replace tan squared by sec squared minus 1, and we'll have a quadratic in sec. So let's do that then. So tan squared is sec squared minus 1 plus the sec squared is equal to 9 plus sec theta. So what do we get here then? We get 2 sec squared minus sec theta. Then move the 9 over to minus 9. There's already a minus 1 there. There's a minus 10. Nothing left over there. So this is a quadratic, which hopefully factorizes 2 sec theta and sec theta. It's 10 ones or 5 2's. If we do 5 2's and make this a 2 and this a 5, then we'll get 5 take 4, won't we? We need a minus 1, so this needs to be the minus. This needs to be the plus. So here then, sec theta is equal to 5 over 2, isn't it? And sec theta, for this bracket to equal 0, sec theta must equal minus 2. So there's our solutions for solving this quadratic then. Now we'll get the angles of the values of theta. Okay, so this one, sec theta is 5 over 2. That tells us that cos theta is equal to 2/5. And this tells us that cosine theta is equal to minus a half. So here, for example, we draw a circle with cast from 0 to 360. Cos is positive here and here. So we've got our two angles, associated acute angles, and we can write cosine alpha is 2/5. So alpha is equal to shift cos 0.4, shift cos 0.4. 66.4. So we can put that in the diagram here and here. So the first solution, you come around from 0 to here, simply 66.4 degrees. The other solution is here. So you go round 360, back 66.4, which is 293.6. And you can check that. 360 take away 66.4. Check it on the calculator if you need to. The other one here, again let's draw a circle. Right, cast. Cos is negative, it's positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. So here's our two lines and here's our associated acute angle to the horizontal, and we simply write cos alpha equals, drop the negative. So alpha, cos of 60 is a half, isn't it? Okay, alpha is 60, put it in the diagram. Shift cos of a half, you can check it on the calculator if you need to. So the first solution then here, round 180 back 60 is 120, and the other solution is round 180 plus 60, which is 240 degrees. So we've got our final answer now. Then we can put all the possible solutions down from the smallest to the largest. So it's 6. So the first answer was 120. So there's 66.4 here is the smallest. Then we've got 120 and 240 degrees. And then we finish off with 293.6 degrees. Now we can just tap that in the calculator here. First of all, cos 120 and 240. We should get minus a half, shouldn't we? 240. Yeah, they're fine. And then cos 66.4. Should get 0.4, which we do with an error there. Small margin of error. And 293.6. Let's see if we've got that one correct. And again, we've got 0.403. There we go then.